Audio CD 2, Track 29, Part C, Filling in the Blanks.
Conversation C. A guest calls the front desk of the hotel he's staying in.
This is Mr. Braun in room 821. My power is out.
The power is out for the entire hotel.
Well, I can't see very well. How am I going to get out of the hotel?
Mr. Braun, we're asking all guests to remain in their rooms until we get the lights back on.
You want us to just stay put? But I need to get something for my hand.
What happened to your hand, Mr. Braun?
I hurt it playing baseball. It's starting to swell up and it's bleeding.
But you shouldn't walk around, especially in an unfamiliar place, when the power's out. I'll tell you what, I'll have someone bring up some ice for the swelling and tape and gauze for the bleeding.
Thanks. I'll also need some iodine so that I can clean it. Oh yeah, could I also have a flashlight? I can't see a thing.
Of course.